say yes kasi alam ko na a lot of women, gaya nga nasabi ni Sir Ken, alam ko na kung hindi man kayo, meron kayong kakilala na parehas ako ang BNE-an. So, isa pa ang mga first-timer. Alright, pwede ba natin sila palakpakan? You know what? Yeah, my name is Christine Joey Saliba. I've been doing Riway na po for almost 2 years this coming June. So, why had na ako diri sa Riway despite sa fact that I have a good job before? My job before is na ako sa BPO industry or call center agent for 12 years. Katong call center agent, BPO company before sa NCCC mo na tragedy, 2017. That was the company I worked for, and then after the tragedy, we moved to here. Dili lang na ako na building on the 4th floor. So, is Riway new to me? No, Riway is not new to me na po because my family has been doing Riway since 2016. But then again, kung 2016, it's been almost 8 years. But ako, mag 2 years pa lang po. Why? It's because when I heard about Riway, baliwala lang ako na siya because I'm enjoying my job as a BPO employee. So, way back before 2007, when I was in BPO, I was enjoying my life as a call center agent, but nevertheless, din ako na-notice na ako ang lawas na struggle. To the point na masige na ingon sa ako ang family na dili na ako healthy. But still, para sa ako, okay pa ko despite ingon ani na ako ang itsura. Sexy, no? Diba? So that's me working as a call center agent. Makita ba ninyo ang difference karon? Yes. Diba? So, you know what, being in a call center, wala ko against sa call center because being a call center agent, pag masikap ka lang talaga, the money is there. For 12 years in the BPO industry po, mo-range ako ang sweldo sa una, 50 to 60,000 as a team manager. So, kung dalaga pa ka, okay lang na sweldo, di ba? Kung ka-earn ka 60,000, okay na kayo na, kung dalaga pa ka eh. Hindi na ganin mo to the point na sweldo ko karon next pay period, hindi na lang una na sweldo na, kamusta na po lang sweldo because I still have money. So, yun anak. But then again, you know what, being in a call center po, ang tawag sa amo, bayanin ko yan. Kasi, matamis sa buntag, ay gabi tulong pagbuntag. Management department, kailangan ka perminti mata. Why? Kailangan nyo pukawin mong agent kasi katulong. So, para maging mata ka for 8 to 12 hours, ang kape po para sa kuha is parang tubig. Kailangan nyo perminti gising. Sting, Cobra, whatever energy drink, ang kali, mura na lang na siya tubig para sa mga, para matajud ka perminti ka, dili po niya masakpan sa inyong boss, natulog ang inyong agent. Kaya kung masakpan siya, ako masakpan. So, yung ang motto for 12 years. 2019 po, fast forward, I got married at the age of 30. So, pag dadating ka sa 30, magdinyo, medyo ambak na kagamay sa kalendaryo. So, alam sa kong husband, gusto ko magka-baby. Mas gusto rin ako magka-baby dahil because wala nang takot ng good ko na makuha lang mga pamangkin na kuwang baby. So, nevertheless that I know that pag nagaling ka sa imong 30s, pag magbuntis ka sa imong 30s, you already considered as high-risk pregnancy. High-risk pregnancy meaning daghang complication na pwede mahitabo sa mama pag magbuntis. Pag nana ka sa imong 30s. Medically studied, it's really true po. So, prone sa high blood, ang mama, prone sa taas ng sugar, mga inanak ko, ba? So, wala ko padayon. That's why I asked my husband, gusto na ko magbuntis. After 6 months of trying, ladies and gentlemen, nothing happened. Wala yung naitabo. So, ako ang tita na kailangan na rin mo magpa-check up. And when I found out po, so it's either ako or akong husband ang may problema kasi hindi ko magbuntis. Gaya na sabi ni Sir Ken kanina. So, nagpa-check up isa ko ang husband, ako ang nagpa-check up una. And then I found out pala because of this body, maski payat kaayo, this body is carrying a severe PCOS. Severe PCOS po, hindi lang siya PCOS, kundi severe. Severe is both of my left and right ovary has kanang mga fibroids. Mga tibugol-tibugol kung sa tuwa pang layman's term. That's why pala, dili ko regulate every month magdala the monthly period. And nagka-bonus pa dyan ko because this body is also carrying a 10 centimeter intramural fibroids or myoma. Sa left side sa ako ang ovary. Ang sa mga babae na left, right? O nasa left. Then, kasi mo na siya kada open punggol. So, yung una na ang ginadalaan na lawas. Payat, pero masakit dun. Alright? So, that's the reason why wala dito ko mabuntis. So, ano ako ang ubi, kailangan nyo mag-take ko synthetic meds. Synthetic meds, you have to take contraceptive pills para ma-okay ko. Ang malipin na ka-basic. But then, ang concern na hindi siya cancerous. Myoma is a cancer. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger na kailangan mo og operation. So, yun naman, ladies and gentlemen, dito sa nag-effect ako. Kasi para sa kuha, labanan ng PCOS, labanan ng myoma, I still want to have a baby. Nag-pandemic. So, pag-pandemic, di ba nagtawag ng trabaho? Nagtawag sa tuwag trabaho, right? During pandemic?
Yes.
But you know what? In the BPO industry, that's really the peak of our acquiring a lot of people. Kasi sa kadaghang nawa ng trabaho, daghan ang mudagan sa BPO because we are offering work from home. Basta naka-internet, naka-laptop, go na siya. So the stress, because of that, as daghan ako ang empleyado, daghan akong agent, ang stress level na ako, nisakag samot, tinanong ko dyan yung lawas, kung saan na lang yung mahitabo sa iyo ha. But then, you know what, life goes on kasi kaya naman sabi ko, I'm enjoying my job. So during pandemic ko, nabuntis ako after 8 months. I got pregnant. Ang tawag na sa mga friends na ako, pandemic baby. Kasi di ba itong mga nangabuntis itong pandemic, ang tawag kay pandemic baby. So I got pregnant, I announced, my family is happy, that's my family is very happy. Dahil nagyapon ko sa akong trabaho, mataalaw ko na sa kanila mga shift alas 4 sa hapon. I have to do a report pa after magawa sa akong mga agent or mga out. Ang anak kong life pa, nagsalang mga day off. Up until during my 6 months of being pregnant, this is the time, maklaro na siya, Josh. This is the time when I had my gender reveal. Di ba, uso pa ang mga face shield? This was supposed to be our gender reveal. Ano gusto ko mas ba? Picture ka, and then after magawas ka, ako rin nakabalo sa gender sa akong baby, and then adult at SM, mubalit ko pink, kung girl, after mubalit kong boy, blue. But ladies and gentlemen, this picture really tear my life and my heart apart. Because after my husband walked out in that room, I found out that I lost my baby. And this baby, naku, nasabi ko ba? Even though this is 2020, but as a mom, a babae, when you lost a baby, ang samad, nangadyan na siya permitting fresh sa iyong heart. Tama po ba? Sa mga mama. Even sa mga papa, I can relate na kung sa sa mga anak. I lost my baby on this day, on this picture. And that baby is an answered prayer supposed to be because the gender reveal happened and it is a baby boy. A baby boy na ako ang gi-prayed hard sa Ginoo na I want a baby boy. But then he took it away from me. And ako, what would be the reason? Pinakaunang reason ko is that I'm not doing, wala mong gininom na masigunsa. It's just maybe the stress. Ako ang stress, ako ang trabaho, na dili normal sa isa kabuntis, na matagal o unas kadlaw, mahuman o atubang sa computer, na stress sa hapon. So I lost the baby. And everything happened in a dream of mura lang isa ka na. Yung ko sa Ginoo wala na yun. So, my family came in. My kuya and my ate, Sir Rex and Ma'am Gina. Dito sila sa mga apartment. They talked to me, and Ma'am Gina talked to me, and yun siya, kailangan nyo makarecover because October 18, October 18 siya na day, pagka 19, kailangan ako mag-take of meds para magawas ang baby. So, in short, kailangan ako ma-abort kasi stillbirth ang tawag sa nanang na edad na 6 months na sa tiyan, stillbirth ang tawag. So, kailangan na siya, kitagaan mo niya ang 2 ka bote na clear here. I took that product para lang makarecover after I lost my baby. Kasi syempre, yung mga lawas, bunog, diretso ka sa hospital, stress pa ka, and then, paon pa yung baby na pinubos, nag-labor kang pinubos, first baby ni mo, ang labor ni mo, din mo ma-explain ang pain because forced labor siya. Kailangan ako igawas ang baby. My 6 months old baby. So, I took birth here, anak ko man, sige, anak mas ba rin naman, you have to take the product. So, I took the product, ladies and gentlemen. So, ang aras ko ata, kailangan nyo mag-inom laklak. So, when you say laklak, daghan. So, after I had the 2 bottles, sabihin mo na mo is that I'm taking 6 capsules of pure care, and my husband is taking 4. So, 10 capsules na day mo ang makonsume. This happened October, ladies and gentlemen. And on June, on the birthday, October 2020, on the June 2021, that was supposed to be 2 days before the birthday of my husband. Kitawagan ko sa akong OB, kailangan ako mabalik for a follow-up check-up for my myoma. Kasi kailangan ako, by after 12 months or 1 year, supposed to be October again, kailangan ako mag-undergo operation for my myoma. Kasi wala man siya nakuha. Hindi man siya nakuha. Hindi siya makuha, kaya ang baby lang man ako ang nakuha. 2 days before the birthday of my husband, I had my check-up again in Brokenshire, and hindi na ko gusto mo balik ato na room. Kasi that room is really a trauma for me, but kailangan ma-check ako, kailangan mako-operahan or dili. And then, ladies and gentlemen, it was so scary that tanawan ako ng imuhang mattress sa TV sa mga nakatesting na ultrasound. Isa nakatesting ultrasound dire. Tara naman siguro mga mama ng ultrasound. Ay, sir. So, sige nga na. Okay. Sige nga na ako ang ubi. Wala siya nagatilog. And then she always keeps on ana-ana sa tiil. And the first time that I remember, nag-ana-ana niya akong tiil is the next word she say, wala na ko makita ang heartbeat. And then, at the next check-up on June, sige na po siya ala-ala sa akong tiil. Kung namatay na kasi pagkarahan, siguro kung umaani. That's what in my mind, because when you're already on that verge of pain, sige na, kung mapirahan na ko, nawala naman akong baby, so go na. So, ano siya, kakanetok to your husband. So, pag umat sa ultrasound, at tumisaya ka. And then, this is the word that I always tell to everyone, I always share to everyone what my doctor said when she said that, my doctor called me Joey, kasi I'm Christine Joey po. Joey, siya nga, ang tawag sa husband, happy. Siya happy, siya Christine. Joey, what happened? What did you do? So, na yung pakutana? So, ako ba na, just keep on looking at me. And then, when she shared that monitor, siya, ladies and gentlemen, dilit na ako makita rin mukhang mayuma. And she also declared me as because wow. It was a happy moment, but yet the happiness is still not there. I mean, you know what I feel po, even though wala din naka-operahan, but I lost my baby. So wala niya ako itong kalipay na ako ang gusto. That happened June 19, June 22 is the birthday of my husband. Kasi marunong regalo na ako sa iya. And I would just, kada mo mag-pretend lang ka na everything is okay. Okay, wala na yung mayoma. But the real happiness is still not there po. But you know what? God moves in mysterious ways. You know what? Because that check-up, July 3 is my birthday. July 1, ladies and gentlemen, I found out that I'm pregnant again. And God is so good because, ladies and gentlemen, now, this woman na nag-aatubang sa inyo, I am already enjoying the life of being a mother. My baby boy, gibalik lang siya sa kuha, di ba po? Everyone is calling him Pure Baby. Because during my pregnancy, I put my faith on the product. I only took that product. And up until now, ladies and gentlemen, wala na mong iwala ang product sa ako ang baby. My baby is still taking Pure, but he is just 2 years old, so he cannot swallow. So, ginabuak lang siya sa yaya. Pinapainom masasulod sa capsule. The yaya is the one taking the coated one. Kaya para healthy ko na po ang yaya. Kaya siya may nagabantay sa baby. So, you know what? despite of the challenges, despite of the heartaches na mo ang maagihan, there's still a light after at the tunnel. Tama po ba?
Yes.
And that light that showed, that help, and ang naging tulong ko, ang tumulong sa akin to see that light is the third year placenta. It's because I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason why I gave up my job as a call center manager in the BPO industry for 12 years, because I want to help other women na nalisod panganak na naimayuman na naay, because that this product really helped me a lot to become a mom, and that I am now, ladies and gentlemen, enjoying the life. Is namin dire kayo mahimong mama, especially mo ang anak, makita na rin yung magdagadagan, kapoy day kay bukod sa yung mga anak na sa rilang ang dagat. So yun lang po, maraming salamat at God bless everyone.